Hey there, my name is Katie and this is the How to Be a Minimalist YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out my links in the description box because I will have all kinds of links down there, as well as the recipe that I make for the vegetable chili. I know I'm not usually in the car for my intros, but today I remembered that I needed to have an intro to this video and I didn't have one. I never recorded one. So here I am in the car and this is what you get today. Minimalism in the kitchen has been a game changer for me. It has made it so much easier to be able to focus on what is really important, and delicious foods and healthy foods are really incredibly important to me and my family. But the thing is, it can take so much time. So what I've learned to do with food prep is just make it really quick, easy, the basic stuff, not full meals usually. I know in this video I show making a vegetable chili, and I will often prepare some kind of a soup or something like that, but mostly my food prep is making sure I have cashew milk for the week, making sure that I have the cashew yogurt that I need, making sure that the rice and potatoes are steamed up. In this video, I did not have to make a whole bunch of stuff. So really it was just mostly vegetable prep because I already had yogurt in the fridge. I already had beans. I already had a bunch of stuff. So I really didn't need to do that much, but I did want to share with you just how simple it can be to make a few things in advance that will last you at least a few days, if not the entire work week, that will help you to have healthier meals that are also just easy to whip up. When you have your bases all made and in the fridge and those basic things that you eat all the time, it just makes life easier in the kitchen. For me anyway. You may not want to eat these foods and that's totally fine. I just like to do these food prep videos so that you can get an idea of how to apply minimalism to the kitchen. I hope that you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It totally helps to grow the channel and I really appreciate it. Let's get cooking. I wanted to have a soup or a chili on hand, and so I basically just grabbed everything from my refrigerator that was going old, or this bag of frozen veggies was just given to us. They were like getting rid of a bunch of stuff, so I wanted to use it up. My freezer's pretty full right now. So I basically just grabbed a whole bunch of stuff. This is brown rice. I decided I'm gonna make a chili, and I have a bunch of seasonings. I'm gonna use chili powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, black pepper, and sea salt. My reason for wanting to have something like this in the fridge is that I can have something that is very low calorie, grab it really easily, and I don't have to worry about making myself a separate meal if I don't want to eat what my family are eating, and it just works out nicely to have something pre-made and prepared in the fridge. Helps me definitely to stay on track with my weight loss. In this vegetable chili, I just use short grain brown rice. I don't use beans and I don't use any other type of meat replacement or anything like that. Just the rice. It has a really nice chewy texture. It almost reminds me of what I can remember of when I used to eat ground beef. It kind of has that like chew to it, and it's just really good. It really nicely fills out the whole mixture. If you're trying to keep calories down, making sure that it's more vegetable dense, it's a really nice clean vegetable chili. You really want to break up that tomato paste. I've also made a batch of my yummy creamy cashew milk. So good. Okay, my little pin dropped and I put it to venting instead of sealing. Let's lift off this lid. As you can see, it's nice and thick and delicious. It would taste really good with my baked corn tortilla chips. Yeah, I'm excited about it. It smells really good. There is my vegetable chili served with a little bit of cashew yogurt, which is essentially cashew sour cream, and some little homemade crackers that I made. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you to see how easy it is to prepare a few things that will help your week go a lot easier. Also, that vegetable chili, if you're looking for a nice filling and yet low calorie food, that is a really, really good chili. I served it up to my husband last night. I wasn't really planning on sharing. I was mostly planning on making that for myself. And you know, he loved it, so he ate the whole bowl. It is really good with cashew yogurt. And you know, don't forget to adjust all the seasonings to what you like. I don't really like super spicy chili, but everyone has different taste buds, so adjust it the way you need to. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.